Welcome back to Earning with Bits, everyone. Let's take a look at Pepe Faucet today. Probably one of the best looking faucets I've seen in a while. And it's easy to use. Get started by signing up with your Faucet Pay email. Once you're logged in, you will see your dashboard on the left. You have your referrals, Shortlinks, Faucet, and coupons here. Connect your Telegram to get your daily coupon code. But for now, let's select Faucet and choose Pepe. Now solve the CAPTCHA in the middle of the screen. The claim should go directly to your Faucet Pay account. That's it. It's very simple. You can claim up to 200 times per day. It's very easy to get 100 claims like this. When you combine this faucet with Chill Faucet and Only Faucet, you can easily get over 100,000 claims into your Faucet Pay account daily. When you're done, go to your Faucet Pay account to make sure you have been credited with your coins. As you can see, my coins have instantly arrived in my wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.